Okay, this is your girl Destiny. Hello, everybody. Look, I'm out here because I'm doing a demonstration. I'm going to show you guys what it should be like in our lives today as we are preparing to upgrade ourselves for this massive growth in the year of 2021. My people, hey, the race is now on. People, you better start gearing up, cranking up your vehicles, whatever ride that you have, getting your feet ready and strengthen those legs. You have to be moving to your greater and higher self, my people. We can't wait until the end of 2020 and say, okay, now I'm going to go and get myself fueled up and get my vehicle ready, my transportation ready, my bike ready. I'm going to do some exercise, get my limbs, my muscles ready to walk these miles. People, gird up now. The race is on. Welcome, my beautiful people. This is your girl Destiny. I'm excited because I'm back with another part of this main topic I've been talking about was upgrade. The topic today is the race is now on. Upgrade your life for a massive growth in 2021. My people, have you prepared the damages parts, repair the damages that's happening in your life, the broken pieces, the crushed, broken bones, or whatever it may have been, the hurts, the abuses, all that was caused by the pandemic and the COVID-19 in the year of 2020. People, forgetting those things that are behind and you're reaching forth for those things that are before you. My people, it's time to press toward the mark of the high calling of the divine creator himself. My people, get ready. Gear up, my people. The race is now on. Have you gotten back into the race? Some of us has gotten knocked down, kicked down, hurt. Crank up your cars. Tune up your motorcycles. Whatever that you're riding, my people, you better ride out of here. And you better know that this race is on and you're going to win. So I know that we went through a lot of things, but we can't hold on to that as fear and hurt and being afraid to try again and be afraid that we're going to get taken down again or lose our jobs again. My people, those are things, experiences, lessons that we had to go through for such a time as this. It was preparing ourselves to become the best and better version of whom the Creator has created for us to be. Even though we have a lot of hurt, a whole lot of fears, a whole lot of anxiety, quarantine and shut down. I mean, we were taken out of our jobs. But people, listen. Have you though repaired the damaging places in your life since the 2020 pandemic? Have you gotten back into the race? Are you ready to gear up, my people? Crank up those vehicles. Tune up those motorcycles, man, people. Get the gears rolling. And I know that the year of 2020 pinned down many of us to the canvas, and it held us down in the place of fear of losing everything that we had. But you don't have to lose, people. You don't have to lose the fight. If you just get back up before the count of 10, you can still win. Get back into the race and you fight hard to get to that finishing line. Because the year of 2020, we are that close to the finish line. My people, keep rolling, keep going, my people. Keep gearing yourself forward. Keep propelling and moving forward, my people. Now, you know, I have been teaching in my last 4 videos the lessons on how to upgrade yourself and prepare yourself for a victorious win in the coming year of 2021. And I hope, my guys, that you have been watching these videos. They are so empowering. They are so helpful to you to become your greater and higher self. So, I'm going to ask this question. What have you learned from the messages that I have taught on upgrading yourself. What have you learned from the message about upgrading yourself? Have you learned how to get to the next level of success, get to the next level of greatness, and win it all, my people? If not, then you need to stop right now, turn off your car, gear down your motorcycle, whatever that you are on, trying to get to that place. You need to get off, stop, turn around, watch this video right here to its entirety, and you will learn how to grow massively and become your best and better version in the coming year of 2021. And Destiny is here to help you, and I have a whole lot of more information to add on to what I have already shared with you guys. Today, this message is going to be even more powerful. As I said, the new year is upon us, people, but that doesn't mean that you should make self-improvement or even upgrades by making a New Year's resolution, because you guys, we all know, and we all have done it at one point of our lives. A lot of people still doing it. Every year they make New Year's resolutions, and then all of a sudden it fizzles out. I'm serious, it fizzles out. They get excited when January come in, the first. Oh, they ready to go. I'm losing weight. I'm gonna work hard. I'm gonna get the car I want. I'm gonna get that house I want. I'm gonna do all these wonderful things, and you get so excited and so propelled, so positive. And then all of a sudden, after 2 months in it, by the end of February, my people, you lost the excitement, you lost the desire and your passion, and you have given up on your dream and your goal to upgrading and improving your life. So instead of making these self-improvements, why don't you try to make small incremental changes throughout the year as you go on each single day of your life, when there is less pressure to do so. And these daily small incremental changes, or you even call them upgrades, it will make it easier for you to commit to challenging your own self and growing to become your best and your best version of who you are in the coming new year and beyond that. So my people, what I'm going to do today, this is going to be the greatest thing that you ever heard. So listen to this. I'm going to give you 6 common self-improvement goals that will help you to upgrade your life for massive growth in 2021. Don't move. You're going to get 6 powerful, encouraging words or messages that's going to really help you. Number 1, people, become more fit and healthy. And in particular, my people, we need to eat wholesome. We need to eat wholesome and healthy. Yes, there is nearly a universal desire to have ourselves in that place where we are eating plant-based foods, eating the things that the Creator has given for us to eat out of nature. But my people, listen, you must exercise daily and become more conscious of what you're putting in your mouth and into your body. People, live from a state of wholeness. Live from a state of wholeness. People, they cranking up, man. I see some of y'all are getting ready. You got the cars in gear and you are moving forward. That's great. Number 2, find your purpose in life. No small task, people. Some people are seeking to understand why they were put here on this earth, then while others are significantly, they're wondering what they were born to do. But my people, let me tell you, let your passion for life drive you to your success. Number 3, acquire more skills. Acquire more skills for success. Now listen, the desired skills vary markedly from person to person. But in general, people, People are wishing that they could sharpen the skills that lead to their greater life success. My people, become the master creator of your own life. Gear up, people. Number 4, improve your personal relationships. Now, some people want to become more outgoing in order to be better at building new relationships. But then we have others that wish to improve the relationships they already have. And then we got other people who gravitates to emotional maturity to handle relationships better. But I'm going to tell you, people, create a personal and healthy relationship with yourself first. Number 5, develop a deeper level of commitment and drive to challenge your own self. Crank it up, baby. The race is on. My people, you are not going to let nothing stop you from upgrading yourself to your greater, higher version, my people. So you have to, my people, develop a deeper level of commitment and drive to challenge yourself. Don't you want to do more with your life, people? And I know that many of us say, yes, I do. And I know that we should. And we all know that we should do more with our life than what we are doing. But sometimes you get bogged down by your own fears. And then you're afraid to step out and take the challenge. My people, my advice to you is whenever that fear steps up on you, you do it when you're afraid. You do it in your fear. You take that quantum leap of faith. You take those steps in your fear and you will overcome it and you will step out into your greater higher self and achieve a whole lot much more than you would have if you will sit there and allow the fear to grip you. And the last one, number 6, develop a higher level of self-esteem and positivity. Now, become the master of your thoughts. Become the master of your dreams and your reality by daily, my people, injecting positivity into your life. I'm saying you cranking up your life. You are driving it, my people. You are moving from 10 miles to 15 or 20 or 30, my people. You are really on the go now. You are creeping up to a higher speed of positivity. So you have to inject positivity every single day in your life. You got to start speaking and believing it and keep saying those things until it manifests themselves. My people, you have to live in the now moments. Live in the now moments, my people. That's what you're going to have to do. And that's it. I gave you 6 things today how to upgrade your life for massive growth in the year of 2021. So that's it. And I may be back with another part of this video. But my people, believe me, the race is on. Cranking it up, maybe. We are ready to ride up out of here because we're riding out of 2020 into a brand new year of 2021. Where we will become our greater and our higher self. The best version of whom the creator of the universe has created for us to be. My people, I'm going to see you guys at the next video. Namaste, my people. I love you. Have a wonderful day. I'll be back if it's meant to be.